Hi guys, hi everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel, and in today's video we are doing an Easter tablescape, my favorite thing. My start on YouTube was me doing tablescapes and people seem to like them. So now I just do tablescapes maybe for holidays or special occasions on my channel. Okay, so I'm kind of late. Normally I would have had this done 2 or 3 weeks ago, but Easter is a few days away, so got to get crack-a-lacking because I've been doing Easter gift baskets, so that kind of put me behind. Okay, so what I do, and this is the 4th year, 2019 is when I started my channel, and I think my first video, I did an Easter tablescape. I don't know if I uploaded that one. And then a month later, I did like a Cinco de Mayo. But okay, so we're here. All right, so first, you always like to wipe my table down. And sorry if you hear some noise, they're building a subdivision in the backyard, so there's a lot of bulldozers and a lot of loud booms going on. We had just beautiful greenery back there for almost 25 years, so now, they're just taking away all of our green space, and I don't like it. Okay, so first, let's see here. Here's my runner. And my style is kind of country chic, country glam. Because I live in the South. Got these from Dollar Tree. And almost all of I could shop anywhere, but I still like Dollar Tree tabletop decor and placemats. So you will see a lot of that, And I'm getting a lot of younger subscribers, and I want you guys to, just look at what you like, what looks good to you. Don't be worried about whose name's on it, because just because someone put their name on something, not everything is cute just because it's a designer from way across the pond there, okay? So just look at what you like, and then can you afford it? These have them like the pink balls on the side. Dollar Tree. These came from Favor Mart, the chargers. These plates came from Dollar Tree. I've had these a long time. When I was catering, I used these a lot. I love these little pink goblets. I got these I thrifted these a few years ago from Goodwill. They probably were like 59 cents. They're so cute and they're good too. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this runner came from Burlington, like right after the pandemic, and they opened up, and I didn't realize, and they were like, they had this was probably like $2.95, and I didn't realize at the time that the Burlington was moving. They didn't tell us. I've been shopping at that same Burlington for 20 something years. So now they're in a new location. So they were like, I got so many like tablecloths and runners and stuff really cheap. And then these are such cute little cups here. These are that new line, Home Sweet Home, that they're in Dollar Tree this year, 2023. And they match the placemat. They may match that. They match the little lunch plate. So we're gonna do it like that. Just kind of do it to the side here. Right there. These aren't that flimsy either. They're pretty nice. Cute. So this is a nice little cute, I love to say cute little tablescape for brunch, Easter brunch. Okay, now what we doing here? Okay, now here are my napkins here. These are silk napkins, and I made them little bunny ears. And I tried all of my napkin rings, and these from Dollar Tree look the best. I have some expensive, and I tried to just, you know, go all out, but this is what looked the best for this, because there's enough pattern. So we're gonna do a little bunny on the side here. He's cute. I have to get some silverware. I didn't pull my silverware out. I got my silverware. I just use basic flatware. It has the little scallop on the edge. Here, these. Let me find my forks. Okay, here are the forks I'm going to use. Cute, very bright. Gonna have a nice brunch, have a traditional Southern breakfast. We're gonna have bacon and sausage, and I'll make a quiche so we can have something, you know, for a few days. And have biscuits, croissants. Okay, and we're going to keep this beautiful dough bowl. Keep this. So I like how it blends with the burlap look of the runner. So this is going to be like our country. Now that I look at it, it's not all that glam. I had some like really glitzy wine glasses, but I'm like, no, put my pink ones out. Okay, then I'm gonna have these pink candles. These are cute, pretty, and it's hard for me to find pink candles. And I found these at, these are True Living at Dollar General. That one there. Such a pretty color. And it's white flower gardenia. Just a touch of greenery. I didn't get out to get fresh flowers in time, so this is all I'm gonna do. And my bunnies, look at my pretty bunnies. Got these at, where did I get these? Hobby Lobby. So let's see. I'll put him right here. Put our bunnies. Then some of these speckled eggs, I got these from Dollar Tree. Everything else is really organized, and then we just kind of let the speckled eggs go. So I don't want the pink with the purple. Put that over here. Okay, so that is how I'm doing my Easter tablescape this year. It's so easy to pull together. That's what it's all about. It's not what's on the table, but who's at the table. Well, we want to make it fun.